be incredibly valuable in a business setting, particularly when trying to analyze complex data or understand the underlying drivers of a particular metric or KPI. Here's how you can effectively use decomposition visuals. 1. Understanding performance breakdown. Decomposition visuals allow you to break down a measure or metric into its component parts. For instance, if you're analyzing sales performance, you can break it down by region, product category, salesperson, or any other relevant dimension. This helps in understanding which factors contribute most to overall performance. Identifying trends and patterns. By decomposing a metric, you can identify trends and patterns that might not be immediately obvious when looking at the data in its aggregate form. For example, you might notice that sales are strong overall, but upon decomposition, you realize that certain regions or products are underperforming while others are thriving. 3. Root cause analysis. Decomposition visuals help in conducting root cause analysis. If there's a sudden drop or spike in a metric, you can use decomposition to drill down and identify the underlying causes. This can be crucial for problem solving and making informed decisions to address issues promptly. 4. Comparative analysis. You can use decomposition visuals to compare different segments or categories side by side. This allows you to identify disparities in performance and understand what drives success or failure across different groups. For example, you can compare sales performance across different product categories to determine which ones are the most profitable. 5. Interactive exploration. Power BI's interactive features enable users to dynamically drill down or drill up within decomposition visuals. This interactivity allows for a more immersive and exploratory data analysis experience, empowering users to delve deeper into the data and uncover insights on the fly. 6. Enhanced reporting and presentation. Decomposition visuals can significantly enhance the quality and impact of your reports and presentations. Instead of presenting static tables or charts, you can use dynamic decomposition visuals to provide stakeholders with a more comprehensive understanding of the data and its implications. 7. Customization and personalization. Power BI offers various customization options for decomposition visuals, allowing you to tailor them to your specific business needs and preferences. You can customize the hierarchy levels, colors, formatting, and other aspects to create visuals that are both informative and visually appealing. In summary, leveraging decomposition visuals in Power BI can help businesses gain deeper insights into their data, identify trends and patterns, conduct root cause analysis, compare performance across different segments, and enhance reporting and presentation capabilities. By effectively utilizing these visuals, organizations can make more informed decisions and drive better business outcomes.